Hey guys, welcome back. I am here with another grocery haul and a meal plan for the upcoming week. I can tell you that I'm also going to show you something that I picked up at Amazon at the end of this video. So if you kind of want to see that, then stick around and let's hop into it. This time I'm going to show you my meal plan first. All right, I'm a little artsy fartsy this time. Not really. But I do like to add the weather every now and then so that I know what I'm looking at. So on Thursday, which was, and actually this is different because when I'm filming this, I'm filming it on Wednesday. Happy Friday to you. On Wednesday, I had planned to do some bacon wrapped chicken tenders and macaroni and cheese and a vegetable, but on grocery days, I really like to make it quick and easy, and I decided to do my grocery day a day early, just because. So on a Wednesday, we had these barbecue smokehouse chicken sandwiches and fries, and on Thursday, we had those bacon wrapped chicken tenders. I might do a video on those. I don't think that I have. I'll have to look back and see. So the rest of it is intact. So Friday, we're having cheeseburger bombs and chips. Saturday, I'm grilling some steaks and making my famous crawfish pasta. We're gonna have grilled garlic toast. Sunday is the Super Bowl, so we're either gonna grab Wingstop wings or pizza and wings. I haven't made the decision yet, but one of those sounds tasty. Monday is smothered chicken, rice, green beans, and rolls. A good old, that's normally what I would like to make on a Sunday, but you know, game day takes priority. On Tuesday, I'm going to make a grilled sweet and spicy pork tenderloin, homemade pasta salad, corn on the cob, and grilled garlic toast. And Wednesday, I am going to make a chicken fiesta soup, and I'm going to make cornbread on the side. You guys know I love to serve my family bread with our suppers. So the sweet treats that I'm going to make this week will be probably chocolate chip cookies and pumpkin pie. Our breakfast this week, Thursday is going to be chocolate chip muffins. Friday I'll make pancakes. Saturday the kids can have cereal. Sunday is biscuits and gravy with eggs, maybe some hash browns too. Monday is pumpkin muffins, Tuesday will be a breakfast sandwich, and Wednesday will be waffles. And then I left a space this time for my family to give some meal suggestions for next week so that I can get their input on our meal plan for then. The only thing not pictured here is a bag of dry dog food. So there you go. I have a mega pack of bacon. It's a 24-ounce pack. Some hamburger buns, 2 things of the ciabatta buns, because there's 2 different times I'm making garlic toast, and these make amazing breakfast sandwiches as well when it's toasted. And you guys know I like that garlic spread that I get from the deli at Walmart. We have some serrano peppers, 2 gallons of milk, 3 gallons of sweet tea, a thing of American cheese, a twin pack of cream cheese, 2 cans of Grands, 4 cups of medium shredded cheddar, my absolute favorite creamer, which is the International Delights Italian sweet cream. I love this. And it's going to go with something that I'm getting in the mail tomorrow, so yummy. Some more paper plates, some Diet Sunkist. I really only needed 1 gallon of water. We're pretty stocked up on water. My husband needed some Zegrid. I picked up some dog food and some cat food. And we got some French fries I'll toss in the air fryer. The dinner rolls, the grilled ready chicken breast fillets. I use those for the smokehouse barbecue and bacon sandwiches. Some frozen corn, some crawfish tails, a 2.25 pound of ground chuck, 3 gorgeous Angus ribeyes. It's been a few weeks since we had steak. I want to say my husband's birthday, so it's been about 2 weeks. It's time a pork tenderloin. Of course, this is a pack of 2. I will cook the whole thing, obviously. We usually don't have much leftovers for that, and that will be delicious. I have a recipe on this. I will try to stick it up in the cards above. Definitely check it out. It's tasty. Big pack of chicken breast. I'm going to split this in half. Half will be for the soup, and half will be for I don't remember. It's going to be for the smothered chicken. I had to look and see. Of course, if I looked up, I would have noticed. I needed some more foil. Picked up some more gum. 2 taco packets, 2 ranch packets, 2 zesty Italian packets. I needed a thing of flour. I have not replenished since the holidays, and I'm getting really kind of low. A quick pumpkin bread mix. I use that for muffins. I do have a wonderful homemade recipe, but this just makes it fast on a school day. Some Doritos, some garden rotini for pasta salad, penne pasta, a thing of chicken broth, black pepper, green chilies, 2 cans of black beans, 2 cans of tomatoes and green chilies, a small jar of diced pimentos, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 1 Miracle Whip, and 1 Spam. I did not need any laundry detergent. I did not need any toilet paper. I did not need any paper towels. So I spent a total of $204.22. This was the week. Of course, dog food, the dry dog food really adds up. When you buy steaks at almost $30 for 3, you know, that kind of adds up. But again, I'm really not on that much of a food budget. I need to be. I want to be. But we also like to eat what we like to eat. So there you go. All right, guys. And we don't eat out very often. We were going to eat out twice because I could not think of one thing. And then I added in the barbecue smokehouse sandwiches. I added up the cost for them, including bacon, and it was still cheaper than even going to Subway. It was like, I don't know, $16. I think it was $16, and Subway for us usually runs about 30 something. So still cheaper to eat at home. All right, guys, I will talk to you in tomorrow's video. I thank you. No, stick around. I'm gonna show you what I got from Amazon. Don't go anywhere yet. All right, guys. So this is what I got from Amazon. I spent $22. It's only 2 things. And you're probably gonna laugh at me. This is the one thing I'm really excited about. I love the Jordan Skinny Syrups, but this mint chocolate chip looked very interesting, especially in my morning coffee with the Irish cream creamer. So I will give that a go probably Saturday morning with my coffee. And in this box is a box. And then in this box is you guys know how much I love my fireplace. So if it's the slightest bit chilly, I'm going to have fire. So I just got a box of 4 of these Duraflame Crackle Flame cheater logs is what we call them. And that's it. These aren't always easy to find, and this is the best brand. I don't like the brand that Walmart carries. And I don't like going into Lowe's very often just because I find all kinds of projects I want to do. So that's what I got from Amazon. So I hope you enjoyed this haul and meal plan, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.